Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Alert World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you working with Mozilla Firefox Labs. So for this case we'll go to the Mozilla Firefox that I have been pinned in my taskbar. Here the three bar icon I have click and the settings option I will enter, and in this page we will get the Firefox Labs. Click here. See here the lab, there have lots of options. Firefox Labs here, they give our experimental features a try. They are in development and evolving with could impact how Firefox work. So here there is store default sync to customize your browser, so you can also customize your browser. Here AI chatbot, so adds the chatbot of your choice to the sidebar for quick access US browser. Here choice a chatbot. So first of all click here, and also we'll go to this, the lots of thinking, this gpt, chat gpt, topic cloud, hanging chat, late chat, mistral, lots of things. You can also the picture auto open on the lab. I can select this. Also address bar, developing tools also here. So in this way we can work with the Firefox lab the thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.